Hello student, today I am going to teach about the subject Commercial Maths class 11 chapter 2nd and it part 2. The name of chapter is Proportional Parts and Partnership. In this video we will solve questions. The question is distribute rupees 550 among 10 men, 4 women and 5 children, such that a woman get double of that child, women get double of that child get, and men get double that of woman get. What will each man, woman and child get? We have to find out the each man what will get each man, not a 10 men, 4 women. This amount are given. We have to find out each man, woman and child get among the distribution of 530 rupees. You can see this question very well, and we know that we have to something are given. Men get double of that child से वुमेन्स जो है वो डबल को मिलना है और मेन को वुमेन्स का डबल मिलना है. तो सबसे मिनिमम अमाउंट किसको मिलना है? चाइल्ड को. चाइल्ड, तो वी सपोज ईच चाइल्ड गेट रुपीज़ x and each woman get 2x. x double of woman get double of that child is x and double 2x, woman get 2x. And we also know that this amount is given. Each man get double of woman get 2x and double of woman 2 into 2x, that is a 4x. So 4x rupees women get, men get, and 2x women get, and x is children get. Then ratio of the money of men, women and child. Ratio, we know that men is 4x, women get 2x and child x. We solve it 4:2:1. And we know that the 10 men, 4 women and 5 child, and in this we only find the each part of ratio. Then the ratio of the part of 10 men, 4 women and 5 children. 10 into 4, that is a 40. 4 into 2, that is a 8, and 5 into 1, 5. The ratio of this 40 ratio 80 ratio 5. And sum of ratios 40 plus 8 plus 5, then total will be 53. Sum of ratios A. And we have to find the 10 men get 10 men, that is a 40. Total is a 53 and total quantity is 530. 40 into 10, that is a 400. So 10 men get 400 rupees. 1 man get 400 upon 10, that is a 40 rupees. 40 rupees. Second is 4 women. 4 women get 8 upon 53 into 530, 80. 1 man get 1 woman 80 upon 4. 80 upon 4, that is a 20. 20 rupees get. Similarly, 5 child get, that is a 5 child is 5. 5 into 5, 5 into 53 into 53, 50. One child get 50 into 5, 10. One child get 10 rupees. We have to find the each value of man, woman and child. Men get 40 rupees, women rupees 80, 20, and child get rupees, one child get rupees 10. This is the answer of this question. I hope you can understand very well about this question. If you have any doubt in any point, you can ask me question. Thank you.